Guys, here's a video of Butter eating. I'm gonna show you her. Not satisfying, but very cute. I love how she just has her hat. Oh, speaking of hats, let me pick her up. I'm sorry, Butter. Butter. Butter, please. Well, Butter doesn't want to get picked up. Please give me 10 likes, and I'll update more about Butter. And bye, guys.